I think that I would have to say that I really thought that I would I in the last year, well, in the last year and a half, I started working on my own. So then I was already working from home before the pandemic happened, right? So I started working on my own, and I really thought that I would, miss working on a team, being, a part of something bigger. And I have to say, I do miss that a little bit. I miss the kind of daily interactions with the team, going into an office and being like, hey. But what I actually love is the fact that once we started doing remote, like once remote became the thing that we're doing, and I started committing to it, and I was like, all right, we're doing this. All of a sudden, all of these opportunities opened up that weren't there before, because it was really cool. All of these companies who usually would have had someone locally, right? I'm working with a company in the United States, and they would, of course, never have hired me. I'm based in Berlin, Germany, if it weren't for the pandemic, because they would have hired someone locally who would have been cheaper, less, travel expenses involved. But now that we're doing it remote anyways, all of a sudden all of these cool opportunities opened up where I was actually able to kind of use my network a little bit better and be like, hey, cool, we can do this. And that was something that I wasn't expecting to happen, which was really cool. So that really changed the way I feel about remote work. I was like, wow, like it doesn't actually reduce, it opens up opportunities for me. It doesn't reduce them,